There's a house built out of stone, wooden floors, walls and window sills, tables and chairs warmed by all of the dust. This is a place where I don't feel alone. This is a place where I feel at home.
Good morning. I'm the proud principal of Hoover High School and want to thank all of you for coming to enjoy the tour today. I hope you enjoy the homes and the students that you'll see performing. Mostly I'd like to thank all the people you see behind us that have contributed in ways that many of you will never know, but our students will definitely benefit from it. They're trying to raise money for scholarships for Hoover seniors, and that's really, it means a lot to us. The quarterback of our football team was accepted early admittance to Oregon this week, and we're very excited. I said, so are you ready to go? What are we gonna do? And he said, I don't think I can afford it. And I thought, that's why we do things like this. So what you're doing, I know it's a wonderful day. I love this day. I love to see the homes, but you're helping kids make their dreams come true. And I hope students like Brendan will benefit from it. So thank you and happy holidays.